Hi everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. It's time to open the advent calendar and today is number 7. Oh, tart! It's an eyeliner. Let me show. It's a kohl eyeliner. Don't really use that much, so I might give this to my mom because she likes this kind of stuff and I don't really use it, so I think I'll give this one to my mom. Hi beauties and welcome back to my channel. So today is quite a different video. We're in my kitchen and we're going to bake. We're going to bake some buns with what we call the Swedish gold, and it's in Sweden we call it saffron. I will check what it's called in English right now. It turns out it's literally saffron. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly in English. Saffron is the yellow spice, which is really common here in Sweden around Christmas. So I'm going to make just regular buns like you would do like a cinnamon bun, but instead of cinnamon I'm gonna use saffron. Let's get into this video. So these are the ingredients that you need: milk, yeast, saffron, sugar, room temperature butter, salt, and flour. Okay, so first you're gonna need 5 deciliters of milk, and you're gonna heat that up to 37 degrees Celsius. Don't do like me and get it too hot and then you have to wait. Then you take the yeast and you break it into small pieces. When you're done, this should look something like this. Then you just pour the hot milk over it. And then you just whisk that until the yeast has melted completely. Then grab a bowl and 2 packs of saffron, and then you're gonna mix that up with a teaspoon of sugar and then crush that up. So you just keep mixing that up, and when you're done it should look like that. And then you pour that into the mixture. And then it should look something like this. And then put the butter in. And don't drop it like I did, because it makes a mess. Just look at that face. Time for sugar. You're going to be needing 2 deciliters of sugar, and then mix that. And then you need salt, 1 teaspoon. Then just mix that together. Then it's time for flour, and you will need 14 to 15 deciliters of flour. That's about a whole packet of flour. Make sure you keep count, because I kind of lost count, so I think I used too much flour, but oh well, it worked out anyway. This is what the dough should look like. Then you're gonna let that sit for 40 minutes. And this is the recipe that I used. It's a Swedish recipe from some guy called Fredrik. Now it's time to make the filling. You're gonna need 140 grams of butter, and then sugar, and also 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. When you're done with the filling, it's time to make the buns. First you're gonna work on the dough for a little bit, about 10 minutes, and then you use the rolling pin and roll out the dough. And then you just spread out the filling, and I couldn't find spatula, so I just used what we use to cut cheese here in Sweden. And then you just roll it up. And then you cut small pieces of the rolls, and it should look like this. And then you let that be for 30 minutes before you put it in the oven. Then before you put them in, just use a whisked egg and some pearl sugar, and then put them in. Hope you have a nice day and you enjoyed the video. Bye!